Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how can we access jiotv in any Android device, laptop, desktop, and where you can run Kodi application. So, you need to watch full video and then follow all instructions very carefully. Otherwise your jiotv could not work. Let's start the video. Follow all the steps. First you need to download the Kodi application. Then you need to download Jio plugin zip file. I will give you the jiotv plugin file link in the description. You can see this the Jio plugin zip file which I am downloaded. Then we need to download the Kodi application. For that, we need to open Chrome browser. Then search for Kodi. Click on the first link. Then scroll down. And click on download button. Then a new page will open, then select your operating system, like I want to install Kodi in my Windows laptop. So I am going to select in Windows icon. If you want to download Kodi in any Android device, like Android phone or Android TV, then you can also download it from Google Play Store. After the download completed, we need to install it. You can see, this is the Kodi application. Let's install the Kodi app. After installation completed, you need to open Kodi app. Then allow all the permissions. Then go to settings. Click on add-ons. Then go to install from zip files. Click on settings and enable the unknown sources permission. Then go back. For back, you can use backspace button. Then again click on install from zip file. Then you need to select the jiotv plugin file, which one we downloaded from description. I kept it on my home folder in desktop. Then click on it. It may be fail for first time. Then try again to install that zip file. If still you are not able to install this zip file, don't worry, you need to restart Kodi app. After Kodi opened, then again go to settings and select add-ons. Then go to zip file, install that zip file. It will take few minutes for the installation. In my PC, it will take around 15 to 18 minutes. After the installation completed, a login error notification will appear, don't worry. You need to click on keyboard. Then click on OTP. Then type your Jio SIM number. Then enter the OTP which is sent to your mobile. After that login success notification will appear. Then go back to the home page. And go to add-ons section. Then long press on jiotv icon. Go to settings, then setup. And download the simple IPTV. It will also take few minutes, like 5 to 15 minutes. It depends on your network speed. After download completed, you need to close your Kodi app. Then again open Kodi app. And wait until it complete 100%. In this way you watch jiotv in Kodi application. If you face any problem during installation, you can ask me in comment section. Please subscribe this channel which help me to encourage for making this type of videos. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy. Jai Jagannath.